Hello guys and welcome to this complete tutorial on Holo AI. If you're a business owner or marketer in 2025, you know the drill. You need to be everywhere pretty much, okay? TikTok, Instagram, email, Google Ads, all of the time. But hiring an agency costs 5 grand a month and doing it yourself is a full-time job. What if you could hire a creative director, a copywriter, and a video influencer for the price of a lunch? Today, we are diving into Holo AI, the tool that claims to turn your website URL into months of marketing content in just minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it step by step with a use case example. And if you stick around, I've got a massive discount code of 75%, okay guys? So, just wait and I'm gonna show you how it works. The magic of Holo starts right here. Unlike ChatGPT, where you have to write like a 10-page prompt to explain your brand, Holo is gonna do all of the homework for you, okay? So the only thing that I did, by the way, is to actually log into my account, okay? You can just create one and see how it works, okay? Now, the first step, guys, is gonna be to input your website URL. For this tutorial, we're gonna be using like an e-commerce brand for coffee. But in your case, you're just gonna paste your website URL, if it's an e-commerce, if it's a store or a brand, it doesn't matter, okay? Just paste it in here and it's gonna work with that. It's gonna analyze it. I'm gonna paste this URL and I'm gonna click on continue. Now, what's gonna happen, guys, is that this is gonna start analyzing, okay? So right now, Holo is scrolling every single page from the URL that I inputted. I'm gonna use English as my language for creating content, and I'm gonna click on continue. Now I'm just gonna have to input my business name and the industry that I'm working in. You have different options. You have products, software as a service digital, or services. I'm just gonna select products for this. Like I said before, guys, it's gonna start analyzing, okay? It's gonna look at our font choices, our product descriptions to understand our, kind of philosophy and marketing. And it's gonna even grab our hex color codes, okay? So this can take up to a few minutes, but this depends on the complexity of your website. Something that I love about Holo, by the way, is actually the amazing design of the page. It's one of the most beautiful pages that I have seen. So yeah, it looks beautiful. Now, this took about 1 minute only, and I'm just gonna click on continue because the analysis is finished. So look, in just 1 minute, it actually picked our logo, it picked our colors, our mission, and a lot of our details, okay? This is actually amazing. However, here is asking me for some more details because it wasn't available to pick them up, but no problem because, you can just add them on your own, okay? You can, for example, add like the extra guidelines, the competitors, or the niche. I'm just gonna keep this pretty empty because this is just an example, but yeah, just be as much detail as possible, especially focus on the mission, okay? Make sure that it's spot on. From what I'm reading in here, this actually looks very, very good, so I'm not gonna add anything else, okay? And the knees, this looks fine as well. I'm just gonna click on continue. Now, it even got all of the products pretty much right. As you can see, we have all of our, coffee blends in here. So yeah, what I'm gonna recommend you guys is that you scroll through all of these products and you make sure that it's actually right and see that you're not missing anything, any single product, okay? If you wanna add a product manually, you can just click in here and that's it. You're gonna have to drop on the images, the product title, and the description, okay? What you can also do is you can quick import it from an URL. So you can just go to your product's URL and you can just paste the URL in here. And that's gonna grab basically the product images, the title, and the description. But yeah, in my case, this is pretty much perfect. As you can see, each product has its own images, which is nice. Some of them have multiple images, okay, that you can actually, kind of scroll around and switch. But yeah, they look absolutely amazing. And make sure that each description and title is correct, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna click on continue because this is perfect pretty much. This has done a great job in picking up all of the different products. Now, once this is pretty much confirmed, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press and hold this button in here for a few seconds, and that's gonna take me to my platform with this beautiful animation that you're seeing in here. Okay, so this is gonna take me to the creative dashboard. Okay guys, so the first step that I'm going to recommend you actually take is to integrate all of your different platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. And for this, you can just click on this button on the create new section, but you can also come to your settings in here and you can just come to your, account and then your integrations basically. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon. I'm going to click on connect. And then it's going to prompt you to log into your Facebook and Instagram account, which is your Meta account basically for your business. And that's it. You're going to be connected. If you come to your social menu, you can also do the same with your Klaviyo account and your MailChimp account, okay? So this is going to be amazing because it's going to allow you to have your email marketing into one platform, which is great. You can also create another brand. If you just have like more than one business, you can create more brands by coming to the brand section in here. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're just gonna come to create new, and I'm just gonna go to concept in here. Depending on what you want to generate, you can select like image, video, or email. But you can just also go to concept. You can kind of give the general idea, and it's gonna generate something with you that matches that description. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna click on concept. So yeah, I'm just gonna select the product that I want to generate the image for. In my case, none of this. So I'm just gonna click on see more, and I'm gonna select my signature blend number 1, okay? If you want to create a new product, of course, you can just do it, and then you can just add it later, okay? I'm gonna click on continue, and I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna click on whatever size that I want to select. This is gonna be for Instagram, so I'm just gonna select something like 916 for story. And now let's go with the prompt, okay? You don't have to be super detailed because the AI is gonna do a fantastic job for this. You can also ask the AI to generate like different, ideas for you. And you can also explore different angles in here, like, discount offers, announcements, or, any of this pretty much. So because it's near Christmas, I'm just gonna generate an image for Christmas. So a promotional image for Christmas. If you use any of these angles, this is going to replace your current prompt, okay? So make sure that you first of all click on this angle if you want to do that, and then write something else as a prompt. I'm going to click on continue now. Now this can take like, 30, no more than that seconds, okay? It's pretty fast, okay? And it actually generated 3 concepts for me. So I'm just going to select the one that I want to use. I'm gonna select on this one, the Christmas morning magic, because it seems the most appropriate for what I actually asked for. So I'm gonna click on generate. Now it's gonna be in this little queue in here, and it's gonna say ready when it's actually ready, okay? It's gonna turn into a green tick. So when it's ready, I'm just gonna click in this button here. I'm gonna click on view in library. You can also just come to your content library in here, and that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it. It looks actually pretty good in my opinion for the time that it took to generate. And the good thing is that, you can edit it further and add whatever you want to do actually. I'm, for example, going to click on the text editor. And you can also click on the upscaler. As you can see in here, it's upscaling my image. It's analyzing the text and so on and so on. This can take up to a minute or so. And this is great because it's going to give you, much more detail, okay? So yeah, this is the before and after pretty much. And you can kind of save whatever version you are more happy with. In this case, it doesn't look like a lot of difference, but you can notice if you zoom in totally. So yeah. Anyways, like I was explaining before, I'm just gonna go to my text editor with the upscale image in here. Once again, it's gonna try to analyze it. Okay, and this can take a while because it's going to analyze the text of the upscale image. But yeah. So here we are in the text editor, okay? I don't like too much this 1% for the planet, so I'm just going to actually click on it. It's going to process the region, and I'm just going to remove this staff, this little sentence, and I'm going to click on, just save. You can also add like a text or logo or images, or just describe what you want to add in general, and the AI is going to try to generate it for you. And you can also erase stuff with this little button. For example, there's this little dot in here. Okay, maybe too much actually. I'm going to undo it, and I'm going to decrease the brush size just to grab this little button here, and I'm going to click on erase. So yeah, this is amazing for generating quick mockups of your, products and all of that. You can even, come here and find inspirations and clone them. But yeah, we'll maybe see that in another video. I'm just gonna focus on the feature that I like the most, which is the AI influencer, okay? Which is the video feature creation. User-generated content is king right now, as you know, but hiring creators and influencers can take you weeks and for sure a lot of money. So I'm just gonna click on the video tab. And we have a lot of features as before, but I'm going to focus especially on the AI UGC, which is going to say create realistic AI person speaking your script. I'm just going to click on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to describe the person that I want to act as an influencer. For example, it can be a young woman in her room with a blue sweater and dark hair. I'm also going to write a script, which is going to be, you have to try Rave. It's the best coffee in the world. Okay, for example. And maybe if you have like a reference image for your logo, or maybe like a style or particular setting that you want to have, you can just add it in here. But I'm gonna keep this empty because I think it's gonna do a better job. I'm gonna select 9:16 as the aspect ratio because it's gonna be vertical for Instagram, and the duration is gonna be 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds. The more time it takes, the more time it's gonna take to generate. So yeah, keep that in mind. This is gonna take around 5 minutes. It says in here, so I'm just gonna generate it now. So as you can see here, it's been about 5 minutes and the video is ready. I'm just gonna go to view in library to watch it, and I'm just gonna click on it. It looks absolutely fantastic. I can enable the audio for a second.
Rich and just a little cool. I start every morning with this, and honestly,
so you can see that it works, okay? But yeah, it looks fantastic. It's not robotic, it sounds enthusiastic, and you can literally post this to TikTok or to Reels immediately because the lip sync is, perfect pretty much, and the tone matches our brand, and I could definitely use this in my, campaigns. Now we have our ads in our video. Now we need to capture the leads, okay? And for this, we're gonna use the email function or the email creation setting, okay? So I'm just gonna click on create in here. And you can select a template or you can just go for a concept, which is what I'm gonna do in here. I'm gonna select like a short email and I'm gonna click on continue. And now, as always, we have to give it a prompt, okay? So I'm gonna explain my idea, which is gonna be to sell my Colombian coffee for Christmas, okay? Again, this is pretty short and pretty generic, but you have to be as detailed as you can, okay? And the AI is gonna do a good job. You can also use the AI suggest, but I'm gonna click on continue. I'm gonna select on this one here, and I'm gonna click on generate. I'm just gonna be out in my library right now. And guys, this is absolutely fantastic. I could totally use this email, and the good thing is that you can change things about this email if you want to, okay? You can change the text, you can change many different stuff, okay? But this email looks absolutely fantastic. For me, this is one of the best features. And if you want to use it, you just have to click on downloading here, and that's gonna download an HTML file that you can now import into your email and just use it. What I like about this is that you can push this directly to Klaviyo or to MailChimp if you have the integration set up, okay? But that's something to try as well. So guys, in under 10 minutes, we built a full campaign, a high converting static ad, a barrel style UGC video, and a 3-part email welcome sequence. To do this manually, it could take thousands in freelance fees, but Holo AI usually starts at $39 per month, which is already a steal. But even more than that, I actually managed to get a specific discount code for this community. So if you just go to checkout and type in how to easy 75, you're actually gonna get 75 of your first month. That's gonna bring the cost down to basically the price of a latte, okay? So this is the best way to test if AI marketing works for your specific business without risking any real money. So yeah guys, do not just watch this, okay? Just go to the link in the description, grab the code how to easy 75 and just plug in your website. even if you don't run the ads, just seeing how the AI interprets your brand is going to be incredibly valuable for you. Thank you so much, guys.